Ada, identify the person in front of me.
Emiliana Newton.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Ada, identify the person I'm speaking with.
Philip Maida.
Identify the person on the med slab.
Philip Maida.
Ada, how's that possible?
I cannot explain this discrepancy.
You died. The hyperlight core gave out a few days ago. We came out of cryo, and we've been trying to fix it. Since it happened, you went spacewalking, I accessed the core's external sensors. We were operating on no sleep, but just 2 hours ago, boom, there was this explosion that surrounded the whole ship, and she died in the rain of wreckage. Now you're here. Alive. And you look just like her.
Ada, what's the current date and time?
Earth date is March 22nd, 2103. The SUT is currently 954-34-54.
What?
2 hours ago is when we were scheduled to exit Hyperlight.
Heading where?
Hey, we're here.
Why?
Did you activate your distress beacon?
Of course I did. It's protocol.
That's why we came here, to respond to a distress beacon.
Christ.
When our Solus arrived, your Solus was already here. And we can't be in the same place at the same... That's why you, the other you, has no vitals, because in this reality, you're already here. And I'm okay because I'm dead. I'm so sorry.